police officer. Come with your camera. Come. You want visuals? Yeah, come. You want visuals? Come. The future awaits us all. The future it awaits us all. Including honor you when you saw Hey.
Echo for free the Galamsey protesters no na say kofobi e wo honoma ye ni tua se Galamsey no wohwe videos ni ade a trend on social media na ye ni ma wo wasa memfi ni wasa honafo no pese o mo kye se ejuma mbeya no aside that no ye nkran krodium ha no ye nim se stop the Galamsey hashtag for no so omdi wo ho gigi mu in the likes of Amagavina anyone ekeka ho no ye yi abesen Amagavina no ene ne nkrofo edi kan first batch na yi omo abesen na so Semino ka say nipa duasam yenu 32 still behind bars and nyina agina mu for sa free the Galamsey and answer stop Galamsey hashtag yi abusia enkofo bi na chese wo social media ne so mo kire madwen say we say no enye necessary but yenim se yechi obi anka wudum say be oni ade from the voice of and answer from the words of Sam George no was say every citizen in your right to now so come here quite to say sa manfo duasam yenu ide ye hwe ni mu kwan say dada no yebetimi eyi won so mo nso abafie nanso nyade a videos a eba kire se won enya anytime soon even though you some governor mo abafie a couple of days ago na say utimi hu say efiri bra ye chi ama governor mo eni ekosi bra ye chi won no na enhyeda enye time bi emu wa yetimi beli obi mo obi bafie ejo obi e kamia correct say se ano yayam tete yaya to renchem yaya de a eba be hunu Ghana maburu a ebia na angofase papa ama yenhwe yenkrofo ni bia wonda so ewo enkofo no ensem
rising up. We want the Islam Council to rise up and speak in respect to this. The chief Liman should issue a statement in respect to this because water is very much essential in Islam and people are using this water for Thank you to all Ghanaian youth. This is the time we need to start taking away the fear and rise up to save ourselves. We need to take away the fear. The fear is what they are using. Say enough is enough. Enough is enough. Tell them. Thanks to all Ghanaians. The struggle has just begun. Thanks to all Ghanaian youth. Enough is enough. Let's rise up and demand for accountability from all governments that take over this country. Enough is clearly enough. And until we rise up and come together, take away the tribal sentiment, political affiliation, and all the religious sentiment, we will rise up and change this situation as a country. Long live Ghana, and thank you to all Ghanaians who believe in the struggle. A luta continua. A luta continua. Arise and build. Ghana youth, arise and build.
More to the youth. 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 We'll show them we are more than them. We make the rules.
We make the rules.
Power to the youth.
Power to the people.
Power to the youth.
Power to the people.
Choboy.
Hey.
Choboy.
Hey.
Next time we come in our millions and nobody will go into this shit.
Amen. Amen. Ghana, I'll say yeah. Ghana, I'll say yeah. Ghana is proud of you.
It's a waste of the country.
Ghana is proud of you. Ghana is proud of you.
Were you aware the Ghana Police Service was capable of all this? Were you aware?
Yes.
So many rifles for us. Armed with only our voices and our hands. But there are armed men destroying our waters, destroying our lands. Where are their rifles for them? Where is the organization and coordination for them? But us, innocent protesters, look at all this. You can't tell me, nothing will happen to him. We are not throwing any stones.
We are not criminals. We just spoke up for the right thing.
They go there and they take right.
We are not supposed to the youth. No matter what, go to the youth. We are not going to the youth. Go to the youth. Go to the youth. Let them know we come back. We are not fighting for any political party. Any political flag. We defend this Ghana flag. We are talking. This is why we are calling for and we are arrested. This is the only reason why Abu Fadi is keeping us here. This is the only reason why Abu Fadi is keeping us here. This is the only reason why Abu Fadi is keeping us here. This is the only reason why Abu Fadi